Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to respond to the question "How are you?" in both formal and casual situations. How are you is a common question to start conversations. But what does it really mean? In formal settings, like at work, people ask "How are you?" to be polite and don't usually expect a long response. In casual settings, like with friends, it's more relaxed and can start a friendly chat. If you're feeling great and you're in a formal setting, like a meeting or work environment, say, "I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?" This response is positive and professional. In a casual setting, when you're feeling great, you can say, "All good, thanks. What about you?" This friendly response is perfect for conversations with friends or family. If you're feeling just okay and you're in a formal situation, a polite and neutral response like, "I'm fine, thank you. And yourself," works well. It's respectful and suitable for professional settings. When you're feeling okay in a casual environment, you might say, "Not bad, thanks. You?" It's a common way to respond when things are fine but not perfect. In a formal setting, if you're feeling content, "I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" is a polite way to share that things are going fine without going into detail. If you're feeling content and it's a casual setting, you can respond with, "Can't complain. You?" It's a light-hearted and friendly way to express that things are okay. If you're feeling just okay but want to keep things professional, you can say, "I'm well, thank you. How are you?" This is a polite response that doesn't go into too much detail, perfect for formal situations. In a casual setting, when you're feeling just okay, you might say, "I'm all right, thanks. You?" This laid-back response is simple and friendly, suitable for everyday conversations. If you're feeling neutral or unsure, you can use these responses in both formal and casual situations. In a formal setting, "I'm doing okay, thank you. How about you?" is polite and professional, keeping the conversation respectful. In a casual setting, "I'm doing okay. You" is simple and friendly, perfect for everyday chats where you want to keep it light. If you're not feeling your best but want to keep it professional, you can say, "I've been better, thank you. How about you?" This response is honest but still polite, making it suitable for both formal and casual settings. When things aren't going great but you're managing, you might say, "I'm hanging in there. You?" This is a common, casual response that shows resilience while keeping the conversation light. Let's cover a few mistakes to avoid. First, don't say too much in formal settings, keep it short. Second, avoid casual language in professional environments. Finally, remember to ask back. It keeps the conversation polite and engaging. Here's the complete list of responses for both formal and casual situations. Pause the video now to write them down or take a screenshot so you can memorize them before our next video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to respond to "How are you?" in different situations. Don't forget to practice the response.